Travel was, I was saying to myself, I can't wait for an opportunity to find me. I have to go and find the opportunity, and the best thing was to sign up for I for Travel.
I've come to this for a number of years, and I always meet a lot of interesting people, meet a lot of old friends, and it's really great fun.
I'm here in Singapore to meet new people, to make new contacts.
We came here with the objective to meet all the leading hotel chains in the Asia Pacific region, and I must say that I'm very happy.
The topics are always interesting and up to date. It's good to see what's going on in the industry.
You know, I thought the content in general was very good.
It's a good conference to actually get the latest updates and thoughts around what the future of travel is, and the innovations, the research, the data as well.
It was really a good insight into figures and into market shares and all that.
We had some really interesting discussions. I mean, a lot of interesting content talking about new areas like mobile and social media and so forth. And what I found particularly interesting was that the sessions were good, but then the discussions afterwards were even better.
And this is one of the conferences where you really get a lot of industry people here. A lot of conferences tend to be heavily swayed towards suppliers and providers and third parties and hangers-on, but this one really has some meat on the bone, so to speak.
It's a good day today, and networking around with a lot of people, meet a lot of friendly, familiar faces as well as new faces as well.
Met a lot of key people. I think it's going to be very interesting. I think I got my money back.
A lot of times we're working with people in the States and in Europe, but supporting Asia as well. So we get to kind of see you know, the counterparts of existing clients over here and catch up with them.
Very high-level people from a variety of different countries, and it's, it's really a fun place to meet.
There's always a good crowd here, and as much as anything, it's nice to meet up with old familiar faces and make new friends.
As I've taken down notes in terms of things that I can do and people I can meet with, and partnerships that we can forge and stuff.
I just really like the format I for Travel had to offer, so that's why I'm here.
It's been very good to us in the past in relation to making new relationships with prospects and potential clients.
For us as a company, it's been a great event, and you know, generated a lot of sales opportunities. So we like it a lot.
I think we'll certainly come back next year.
I think this is one of the best industry conferences around.
Good job, I for Travel. Thank you very much.